Have you ever wondered what type of investor you are in the stock market? Just like a zoo, the market is teeming with a variety of creatures, each with its own unique ways of navigating the financial jungle. In this game of stocks and shares, you might find yourself relating to these animal metaphors. There are the whales, the gigantic investors who cause ripples in the market with their moves. Sharks, seizing opportunities swiftly and efficiently. Turtles, moving with caution, following trends at a steady pace. Wolves, daring to go against the crowd. Rabbits, quick and agile, hopping from one trade to the next. Bulls and bears, embodying the perpetual tug-of-war between optimism and pessimism. Pigs, who sometimes bite off more than they can chew. Sheep, often swayed by the herd's opinion. And chickens, too fearful to dip their toes into the market. So let's dive in and meet the animals in the stock market zoo. First up, we have the bears and the bulls. The bear in the stock market jungle stands for the pessimists. These are the investors who anticipate a decline in the market. They use a strategy known as shorting, selling stocks they don't actually own with the aim of buying them back later at a lower price. This way, they profit from the market's downturn. B-roll bears are often seen as cautious, always on the lookout for signs of market weakness. On the flip side, we've got the bulls. These are the optimists of the market, the investors who believe that the market will rise and are eager to buy. They're confident in their outlook, often taking long positions in stocks they believe will grow. B-roll. When a bull's screen is green, it's a sign of their positive expectations for the market. So, are you a bear expecting downturns, or a bull always seeing the bright side? Next, we meet the pigs and the whales. Pigs in the stock market represent those traders who revel in the thrill of trading, often taking on significant positions. They're the adrenaline junkies of the stock market, always chasing after the next big trade. However, their love for big gains can sometimes be their downfall. They may hold on to positions too long, hoping for even larger profits, and end up suffering losses when the market takes a downturn. On the other hand, we have the whales. These are the large investors who have the financial firepower to make waves in the market. Their buying and selling decisions can significantly influence market prices. But with great power comes great responsibility. They must be cautious when entering or exiting positions to avoid causing extreme market fluctuations. So, do you see yourself as a risk-loving pig or a market-moving whale? Now let's look at the sharks and chickens. Sharks in the stock market, much like their oceanic counterparts, are opportunistic and efficient. They're always on the prowl, ready to seize opportunities as they arise. They make money quickly, cutting through the market's currents with precision and speed. Sharks don't wait for the right time, they create it. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the chickens. Chickens are often paralyzed by their fear of risk. While they may understand the market's ebbs and flows, they often struggle to dip their toes in the water. They're hesitant, often spending more time on the sidelines than in the game. Their fear of loss often outweighs their desire for gain, which can hinder their growth as investors. So, take a moment to reflect. Which one resonates with you more? Are you a swift and decisive shark, or do you tend to hesitate like a chicken? Finally, we have the wolves, turtles, rabbits, and sheep. Each of these animals represents a unique approach to trading and investing, and understanding them can help us navigate the market more effectively. Let's start with the wolves. Wolves are the contrarians of the market. They zig when everyone else zags, often finding success by going against the crowd. These traders are known for their independent thinking and willingness to challenge popular opinion. They thrive in volatile markets, using their keen instincts to spot opportunities others may overlook. Next, we have the turtles. Named after the famous turtle traders, these investors are known for their slow and steady approach. They follow trends, patiently waiting for the right conditions before making their move. Turtles may not make quick profits, but their consistency and discipline often lead to long-term success. Then there are the rabbits. Just like their namesake, rabbits are quick and agile. They are the day traders and scalpers of the market, hopping in and out of trades within a day or even hours. Speed is their edge, and they rely on fast execution to capture small profits that add up over time. Finally, we have the sheep. Sheep are followers, often relying on the opinions and predictions of others to guide their investment decisions. While this approach can work at times, it can also lead to herd mentality, where investors pile into the same trades, inflating prices and increasing the risk of a market bubble. So, there you have it. The wolves, turtles, rabbits, and sheep, each with their unique strategies and perspectives. Whether you're a contrarian wolf, a steady turtle, a speedy rabbit, or a follower like a sheep, understanding these animal metaphors can give you a deeper insight into your investing style and the market at large. So, are you a contrarian wolf, a steady turtle, a speedy rabbit, or a follower like a sheep? So, there you have it, the animals of the stock market zoo. We've journeyed through the habitats of the bulls and bears, the optimists and pessimists of the market. We've observed the pigs, whose hunger for big gains often leads to their downfall, and the whales, the market movers who set the stage for significant shifts. We've swum with the sharks, opportunists who seize profit swiftly and efficiently, and empathized with the chickens held back by their fear. We've also met the wolves, contrarian traders who dare to go against the flow, the turtles who embody the slow and steady wins the race philosophy, the rabbits, whose speed is their edge, and the sheep, who base their decisions on the opinions and predictions of others. In the stock market zoo, understanding your investment style is vital. Remember, in the stock market zoo, there's a place for every animal. The key is finding out which one you are and investing accordingly.